All right, so we were just talking a little bit about the Chevy Bolt, and I thought now maybe we'd take one for a spin so you can see for yourself. All right, so here we are. We're taking the Bolt for a spin. One of my favorite things about it right here is you can watch yourself creating your own energy. As you're driving and you release the gas, you immediately are recharging your battery. That 259 mile range that Chevy is offering right now on the Chevy Bolt, you get to participate in that a little bit. If you be careful and you use your regenerative braking and you drive cautiously, you can max that out. You're getting 260 miles on a single charge. I have about a 30-mile commute, so 60 miles a day roughly. I can charge it every third day. I don't have to plug it in every night. Super convenient. I don't miss stopping at the gas station. And the things are quick. You know, you have to get on the gas, you got to get around somebody. They like to move, and they're fun. They come with a lot of the cool technology, not just the electric. You know, you've got your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, and this is a premier model, but they offer that on the LTs as well. Lots of cool stuff on here. If we were stopped, I could go through the big 10.2-inch screen here. If we were stopped, I could go through the big 10.2-inch screen here. So just wanted to show you a couple things on this big 10.2-inch infotainment screen we have in the Chevy Bolt. One of the coolest features I like is you got your energy feature. It's going to pop right up and show you kind of a picture of the car. And as you're going, it'll show you the flow of power and charging your battery. As you see, we have 4 cells remaining. Plug it in at a fast charge station, and we're looking at a couple hours and you're fully charged, ready to rock and roll for another 260 miles. It's great. A couple other options on here that you don't see on all the vehicles. You've got your bird's eye view camera, split screen here with a lot of different little views that you can check out. This one's great when you're pulling into a tight spot. You don't got to worry about getting a little road rash on your rims because you can watch your rim pull right into the spot. It's awesome. You can upload photos that'll show while you're driving. And if you do get a little close to running out of power, they have this low power mode that'll conserve power and get you to that next charging station or get you home, whichever is your destination at the time. I've got my camera, my rear view camera up here on we got a mail carrier here around. Super quiet too. That's one of the coolest things about the ride. You know, you're not experiencing a lot of noise from the automobile. That's one of the very cool things about the electric vehicle. Another great thing in these Michigan winters is the electric heater. You know, it has remote start. You start it up in the morning, and within just a few minutes, your heat's going full blast. You don't have to worry about waiting for the radiator to warm up and heat your car like a traditional gasoline engine vehicle. Tons of fun. I don't think I'm going back. I didn't really necessarily get the Bolt just to go green, but I tell you what, I do not miss stopping at the gas station every week.